Hi, what's up everybody? I am Vishal Akbar from MOKY Designs and welcome back after a very long time. First of all, I really apologize for the too long break. The reason behind it was really hectic projects, my exams and many other things. It was tough for me to manage time everywhere. I really thank them who approached me and asked about my absence. Now I am back and I'll try my best to upload a new video on every Sunday. So this is a part 4 of episode 1 of the PSD to Elementor series. Now in today's video we will cover two chapters, chapter 9 portfolio section and chapter 10 our team section. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified from other videos. So without wasting any more time, let's move to the video. Chapter 9 portfolio section. You may have noticed some changing in the design that we did last time because I have hosted on my new domain, that's why I have to rebuild it. So now let's add the headings text. We will copy this same section because it's similar to the required one. I'll copy it from here and then paste it here. As the text is center aligned, I will make it centered and replace the text from the PSD template. By the way, you will get the updated template download link in the description down below. Now we will add a break tag after the word off. The heading section is ready. Let's start designing these project sections. So first add the new inner section under the headings. Now click on edit inner section, go to advanced, then unlink the paddings and add 75 pixels on the right and left side. Now add the image element in the left column. I have uploaded the images, you can upload them from the zip folder. We will adjust the images later. Let's first add the text. We will add the text first. For that, import the text editor element in the right column. Copy the text from the PSD template and paste. Go to style, copy the text color, paste it here, select the global fonts. Now we will adjust the spacing. Click on the text and press the delete key on your keyboard. This is adjusted a little bit. Click on this edit column icon, go to advanced, add padding around 50 pixels. Let's change it to 40 pixels for now. Let's add the headings. We will add a break tag after the word. Let's add the headings. We will add a break tag after this word and change the color to black. Change the weight to 700. Now you can see the spacing between the text. Let's close the panel. Right click on the text and click on inspect. Over on the div tag, you can see the yellow margin under the blue color. If we add a margin equal to 0, the gap will be removed. So we will add this code in the custom CSS of the text. So copy these classes, go to the panel, advanced and custom CSS. Paste the classes here and add the period before these classes. Add parentheses and write margin equals to 0 and exclamation sign and important. Now you can see it's fixed up as there is little space on the downside, so we will change it to margin bottom around 10 pixels. Let's adjust this image now. Go to style and add around 90% max width. Let's change it to pixel and add 270 pixels max width and increase to the max. Increase it a little bit around 300 pixels. Now we will add this paragraph. Copy and paste it here and go to style, color to mid gray, typography to global font, weight to 500. Let's add the break after these two words by adding a break tag. For this button, we will copy it from this section to make it similar. First change the text. Go to style, color to zero transparency, text color to black, border type to solid and width to 2 pixels. Padding 15, 30, 15 and 30. As you can see, the distance on both sides are equal, but here the difference is not the same. So let's fix it. Add the right margin of around 40 pixels in this section, a little bit more to 50. Align the image to the right side and increase the width of the image to 330 pixels. Let's tweak the paddings of the right section and make it 35. And left margin to 40 pixels on the left side. Or I think so we should go with 90 pixels. And right section to around 75 pixels. You may have noticed spacing between these color differences, so let's increase the top padding to 175 pixels. It's perfect now. Let's create this left aligned project section. Just duplicate this section. Let's first add little spacing on the top and bottom around 30 pixels, just like so. Shift this image section to the right side. Now invert the paddings and change this padding from left to right. Select the image and align it to left side. Now let's update the content. I am fast forwarding here as you know how we did it in the previous section. One thing that needs to be focused on here is fixing the spacing between these two parts. Just press the delete key after this keyword like so. We just have to update the element code here. Just right click on the text, go to inspect and navigate to this section and copy this code from here and just update it in the custom code. Now let's move forward quickly to save our time. We have created these sections. Now we have to design this button. Just go to element and drag this button widget under these sections. Alignment center, update the text. Go to style and make background color to zero transparency. Border solid, color to primary color, text color to black, and typography to global fonts. Now unlink the button width and add only 2 pixel bottom width padding 0 and bottom padding around 7 pixels. Add top margin to 30 pixels, and there we go. Chapter 9 is completed. Let's move to chapter 10, our team section. Let's start creating this abstract our team section. First, let's create these heading stacks. Just copy and paste the previous section and replace the content. Now let's design these for displays team members profile card. Drag the inner section under these headings, add right and left padding to around 75 pixels. Duplicate this column 2 times. Now drag the image widget in the first column. Upload the image. Now let's add these text. Drag the headings widget under this image and update the name. Change heading tag to H3. Now let's add the designation through the text editor widget and update the color codes. Change typography to primary, name color to black. Let's adjust the spacing with the same method. I think we should increase the top padding from here. Make it 200. No, 250. We also have to increase the top padding in this section to around 230 for now. Let's design the profile cards now. For that, just duplicate this section 3 times and delete the rest columns that we don't need them, just like so. Update the content in other profile cards. I notice here that the headings are a little big, so I changed them to H4 and increased the font weight to 700. Now just update the custom codes with the inspection tool as we did so. Now it's time to displace these cards. Select the second column and add the top margin to 50 pixels. Similarly, for the fourth column, and we are done with the completion of chapter 9. So this is enough for the part 4. I hope you liked it. If so, please click on the like button for my motivation and don't forget to press the subscribe and bell icon. I'll see you in the next part. Till then, take care. Goodbye.